Imagine packing your bags and starting a brand new life in Europe. Not in 10 years, not in 5 years, but in just a matter of days. A country where you don't need to fight with endless visa rejections, where your family can join you immediately, and where you can legally earn over 4,000 to 6,000 euros every single month. Today, I'm about to share with you one of the fastest, most generous, and least talked about work permits in Europe. Stay with me until the end because the details I'm about to share could literally change your life, and missing one step could cost you this golden opportunity. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Peace. You're very much welcome. On this channel, I share everything in relocation that will help you live, study, and work abroad. So feel free to like this video so that YouTube promote this video to a wider audience. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe if you have not already done so, and share this video. You don't know who actually needs this breakthrough, okay? And if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real G. You know how we do it here. Real info, verified links, okay? As always, thank you for watching, okay? Without further ado, let's dive straight back into the video, okay? Now, let me ask you this. How will you feel if you could secure a visa in as little as 15 days? That's right, not months, not years, but in just about 2 weeks, you could have a decision in your hands. And it doesn't stop there. This particular permit allows you to bring your husband, your wife, and your children along with you immediately. No waiting, no painful separation, no begging the embassy. Your spouse also gets the right to work freely in any occupation once you arrive, okay? And let me sweeten the deal. With this route, you don't need IELTS. Yes, no expensive English exams, no unnecessary delays, just your skills, your job offer, and your readiness to begin a brand new chapter. And here's another shocking part. Unlike other permits in Europe, your employer doesn't even need to prove they tried to hire someone locally before looking abroad. In other words, no labor market test. They can hire you directly and you can move faster than you ever imagined. Now, let's talk about why many people are running towards this opportunity. First of all, the salaries. The minimum threshold starts at 44,000 euros per year. But for most roles on this permit, you could easily be earning between 4,000 to 6,000 euros monthly. That's stability. That's dignity. That's a chance to not just survive, but to build, save, and support your loved ones back home. And let's be honest, Europe is changing. Some countries are tightening their immigration. Others are stretching residency to 10 years before you can even dream of settling. But with this permit, after just 2 years, you become eligible for residence permit. Yes, 2 years, not 10 years. That means you could move in 2025 and by 2027, you're holding a long-term residence status that keeps your family safe, secure, and rooted. Now, imagine waking the streets of Dublin, Cork, or Galway, living in one of Europe's safest, friendliest, and most progressive countries, with your children attending world-class schools while you pursue your career. Doesn't that sound like the dream so many of us have prayed for? Let me know in the comment section. Comment the word yes it is, okay? If that sounds like a dream, if that sounds like your kind of dream, comment the word yes it is, okay? Now, of course, every golden door comes with a key, and not everyone qualifies. This pathway is not for unskilled jobs. It is designed for professionals who bring value to the economy. But here's where it gets exciting. The list of eligible jobs is long and diverse, okay? From IT specialists, software engineers, nurses, medical practitioners, civil engineers, constructions, professionals, business analysts, and many more. If your profession falls within these high demand roles, you already hold the key to this opportunity. But here's what really struck me. This is one of the very few visas in Europe where age is not a barrier. Whether you're in your 20s, in your 30s, 40s, or even 50s, as long as you have the skills, you're welcome. And for those worried about the cost, yes, officially, the application fee is 1,000 euros. But here's the secret. Most employers cover that cost for you. That's why so many immigrants describe this as a free party, because the right employer essentially sponsors you fully. So, what is this life-changing pathway? It's called the Critical Skills Employment Permit. It's one of Ireland's fastest track to work, residence, and family reunification. Okay, this permit was created by the Irish government to attract highly skilled workers into sectors where there simply aren't enough local professionals. That's why there is no labor market test. That's why families are welcome. That's why salaries are high and the pathway to residency is short. The Critical Skills Employment Permit is not just a visa, it's an invitation to build your life in Ireland permanently. So now the question is, where do you even start? Here are the verified job sites that international applicants are using successfully. IrishJobs.ie. This is Ireland's largest career portal. I'll be writing this down in my description, okay? And just click the link and take it to the site, okay? Indeed.ie. Make sure you use the Ireland specific version, okay? EURES. This is the European job mobility platform with millions of postings. ConstructionJobs.ie. Perfect if you are in engineering or construction. So here's a pro tip. Upload your CV to this site, tailor it to Irish standards, and set alert so you're notified the moment jobs matching your skills go live. Employers will contact you directly if you fit their role. Okay, so here's the big picture. A pathway that lets you relocate in weeks, not years. A salary that brings dignity and freedom. A country that values family and keeps you together. And a future that after just 2 years unlocks residency and stability. The Critical Skills Employment Permit is not just another visa, it's a golden key into one of Europe's strongest economies. If you believe you qualify, now is the time to act. Update your CV, apply through the right portals. Don't waste this chance, because opportunities like this don't last forever. Tell me in the comments, would you take this leap? Would you move your family for a brighter tomorrow in Ireland? I would love to hear your thoughts. And remember, on this channel, we only encourage legal, safe, and genuine migration. If that's a feature you're dreaming of, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, share with someone who needs information, and subscribe for more opportunities like this. Until next time, keep believing, keep applying, and keep choosing the life you deserve. Jesus loves you, and I really do love you too. Rooting for you always. Bye for now.